Yes, dear students, today we are going to start a new topic from the grammar, that is adjective and its kinds. And I hope you all are aware that what are adjectives and what are the type of adjectives, as you have done in class 5th also. Okay, so adjectives are the describing words. They describe the noun or pronoun. They add some meaning to the noun. Clear, everyone? So let's start the topic. Yes, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. It is used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Adjectives are nice, single story, beautiful, brown, big, six, seven, many, much. All these are adjectives and they describe noun or pronoun, or they add something to the meaning of a noun. Is it clear? Now you all know nouns are the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or idea, right? So, adjectives are the words they describe what kind of person, what kind of place, what kind of thing, how many people are there, how much quantity is required. So, all these words they describe the noun. Okay, so let's start each type one by one. As you all know, adjectives are of six types, right? But in this sixth class, we are going to study about how many types of adjective. There are eight type of adjectives, right? So you have done, I think, six type of adjectives. Two more types we are will do it today, and let's study about the type of adjectives. So I hope adjective is clear to you that what are adjectives. They are the describing words. They describe noun, okay, and they add something to the meaning of noun. They tell us about the noun in short. Okay, so let's start. Yes. So the kind of adjectives, they are divided into following categories. Number one is qualitative adjective. Qualitative adjective is adjective of quality, right? Adjective of quantity. Third is adjective of number. Fourth is demonstrative adjective. Fifth is distributive adjective. Sixth is interrogative adjective. Seventh is possessive adjective. And eighth is proper adjective. Okay, so let's start one by one. First, we will study about adjective of quality. Now, these adjectives answer some questions. And if we ask the question to ourselves, that is the answer that what kind of adjective it is. Okay, so let's start. As you know already, adjective of quality. It answers the question, what kind of? It answers the question, what kind of? Suppose the example is Ram is a good boy. Ram is a boy. Raman is a boy. Okay, we know Raman is a boy, but what kind of boy Raman is? Good. So, good is the adjective here. He has a black dog. He has a black dog. Now, he has a dog of which color? Yes, black. So black is the adjective here. And here, good and black are the words, are the adjectives. That describes the noun boy and dog here. So I hope adjective of quality is clear to you. It describes an object by telling us of what quality, of what sort, or in what state the object is. Is it clear? Okay, so next category is adjective of quantity. It shows how much of a thing is required. It answers the question how much. Okay, see now the examples. I did not eat any bread. Any bread. Now here the quantity of bread has been mentioned, that I did not eat any bread, not even a single slice of bread. Okay, so any is the adjective of the quantity. There is little sugar in the pot. Little sugar in the pot. How much sugar is there in the pot? It answers the question how much. Little. Little sugar. So little is the adjective here. Okay, and bread and sugar, as you know, it is a these are the nouns. Okay, and adjective of quantity, the words we use for adjective of quantity are little, any, much, all, and some. Okay, these are the words which we use for the adjective of quantity. Now these are adjectives are used with uncountable noun, right? Bread is a uncountable noun, sugar is a uncountable noun. So these adjectives of quantity words are used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, as we have discussed earlier, the things which we cannot count. Moving on to the next type, that is adjectives of number. It answers the question how many. It tells you the number of person or things are meant. Okay, or in what order a person or thing stands. So it answers the question how many. Words like many, eight, 4, 6, few, no, some are used as adjectives of number. For example, a month has 4 weeks. Weeks you can count. So, and most important, the adjectives of number here, these adjectives are used with countable nouns, the nouns which can be counted, right? Pictures we can count, weeks we can count. So these are the adjectives which are used with countable nouns. Okay, as you know, adjectives are used along with nouns. Okay, they are describing the noun, they are adding some meaning to the noun. Okay, now in the previous type also you have seen the adjectives are used before the noun. Why they are used before the noun? As they are describing the noun, what kind of noun, what quality of noun is there, how much quantity of noun is required, how many number of noun is there. Okay, so a month has 4 weeks. There are some pictures on the wall. So here 4 and some are the adjectives of number. Okay, so I hope adjective of number is clear to you. Coming to the next type, that is demonstrative adjectives. It points out a person, specific person or thing. Okay, like the words are this, that, these, and those, such. These are the words which we use for the demonstrative adjective. For example, this man is very handsome. Those flowers are very beautiful. So this and those are the demonstrative adjectives. Likewise, that is also a demonstrative adjective. These is also a demonstrative adjective. Okay, it answers the question which man is very handsome? This man is very handsome. Which flowers are very beautiful? Those flowers are very beautiful. So it answers the question which. Okay, so I hope demonstrative adjectives are clear to you. Coming to the next type, that is distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives, they talk about every person or thing separately among many. Suppose if in a group in your class group discussion is going on, your teacher will be, and in one group 4 students are there, and your teacher is going to listen to each and every student present in that group. So if in a group 4 students are there, so your teacher is going to listen each student. Each, here I am using the word that is your distributive adjective, that attention has been given or the presentation is listened from all the students present in the group. Okay, so distribution adjective denotes the person or thing named in the sentence are taken singly or separately, means it denotes the person or thing separately among many. Okay, so the words used in distributive adjective are each, every, either, neither. These are the words which we use for distributive adjectives. They describe the person individually among many. Okay, every day is a new day. Now, every day is a new day. Here, every is a distributive adjective. Here, every day we are this distributive adjective is describing each day is a new day, and the word used is every. Every is denoting each day, particularly separately. Each day is describing here. He took neither dress. Neither is also a distributive adjective. So I hope distributive adjective is clear to you. Coming to the next type, that is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative, as you all know, interrogative means to ask a question. Okay, to ask the question about a noun. They are used with noun to ask a question. Obviously, adjectives are used with noun. In all the types, we are observing that the adjectives are used with noun. So these are also the same adjectives which are used with noun, but for what? To ask a question. To ask a question, and they are used along with the noun. Whose book is this? Which way shall we go? Now, whose, which, what are the interrogative adjectives. Okay, so I hope interrogative adjectives are clear to you. Then, next we'll discuss, I'll tell you about the two more types are left, possessive and proper adjectives, that I'll tell you. But before that, I would like to tell you that what location, about the location of adjectives. The adjectives are located, can be located in three places in a sentence. First, we know along with the noun. Before the noun, adjectives are placed, as we have observed in all the types of adjectives. Adjectives are used along with the noun but before the noun. Okay, so the most common location is directly in front of the noun. It is modifying. See, the big dog, the new toy. As we already know about this, adjectives are used along with the noun, and before the noun it is modified.